Dibromomethane Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, multiplied by 2 as we have 2 hydrogen atom. Bromine has 7 valence electron multiplied by 2 as we have 2 as we have 2 atoms for bromine. So totally we have 4 plus 2 plus 14, that is 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together. For connecting we will just 2 dots, and then the second task is to satisfy octet and duet of the atoms. Carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative, plus it has the highest capacity of making bond. So let me satisfy the octet of outer atom. So we have used here how many valence electron? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have used all the valence electron. Now check for octet. Octet, octet. Now check for duet. Duet, duet, octet of the central atom. So we can say that this is the Lewis dot structure of dibromomethane. You can replace this bonding pair by a line. So this is the structural formula of dibromomethane.